Hello everyone, welcome back to Scodex. In today's video, we're going to create a modern and premium-looking music player using a simple AI prompt. You don't need to write the complete HTML, CSS, and JavaScript code manually. Instead, we'll use AI to generate the code for us, and then we'll run that code on our computer to see the final music player in action. So, let's get started. First, let's take a look at the final preview. This is our Scodex music player. As you can see, it has a modern dark interface with beautiful neon colors and a premium glass-style design. At the top, we have the Scodex music logo and branding. We also have a search bar where we can search for music by title, artist, or file name. Next to the search bar, there is a theme toggle, an Add Music button, and a folder button for importing local music files. On the left side, we have the main music player area. At the top, there is a beautiful animated audio spectrum. This spectrum is designed to react to the music while a song is playing, giving the interface a more dynamic and attractive look. Below the spectrum, we have the song information area. When there is no music loaded, it shows a simple, "No music yet" message and gives us an option to add our local audio files. The player supports common audio formats such as MP3, WAV, OGG, and M4A. We also have a favorite button for the currently selected track. On the right side, we have the playlist section. This is where our imported songs will appear, and we can manage our music collection from one place. At the bottom, we have the main playback controls. We can play or pause the song, see the current playback time and total duration, control the progress of the song, and adjust the volume. The overall design combines dark colors with cyan, purple, and pink neon effects, which gives the music player a modern and futuristic appearance. And the best part is that this player is designed around local music files. So instead of uploading your personal songs to a server, you can use music stored on your own computer. Now that we've seen the final result, let's see how we created it using AI. To create this music player, I first open Notepad on my computer. Inside Notepad, I have prepared a detailed prompt that describes exactly what I want the AI to create. The prompt includes the music player name, the user interface, the dark and light theme, the local music functionality, playlist features, audio controls, and the overall modern design. The important thing here is that the better we describe our project, the easier it is for the AI to understand what we want. So instead of asking AI to simply make a music player, we provide clear details about the design, features, and functionality. Now I select the complete prompt from Notepad and copy it. After copying the prompt, I open Google in my browser. From Google, I open Meta AI. Once Meta AI is open, I paste the complete prompt into the chat box. Now I simply submit the prompt and wait for Meta AI to generate the code. The AI processes our instructions and starts creating the website code for the music player. Depending on the prompt and the features we request, the generated code can include HTML for the structure, CSS for the design and animations, and JavaScript for the music player functionality. Once Meta AI finishes generating the code, I check the generated files and download the code to my computer. After the download is complete, I open the downloaded folder. Inside the folder, we can see the generated project files. I open the required code files and then run the project in my browser. Now the browser loads the generated website, and we can see our Scodex music player preview again. As you can see, the final result is very different from writing every line of code manually. We started with a simple idea, converted that idea into a detailed AI prompt, gave the prompt to Meta AI, generated the code, downloaded the files, and finally opened the project in the browser. This is a great way for beginners to understand how AI-assisted coding works. You can experiment with different prompts, change the colors, add new buttons, improve the layout, or request completely different features from the AI. However, remember that AI-generated code may sometimes contain errors or features that don't work exactly as expected. So always test the project, check the code, and make improvements when necessary. AI can help us build faster, but understanding and testing the code is still important. And that's how we created this modern Scodex music player using an AI prompt. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to like the video, subscribe to Scodex, and turn on notifications for more AI, HTML, CSS, and JavaScript projects. The coding prompt and project files are available in the video description. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.